Paying tax as a business owner has made me millions and millions of dollars through my investing. Real wealth, not just cash flow from your business. Working with all the business owners we do inside of our business generally don't like to pay tax. Obviously, they employ their accountants to minimize their tax as much as they possibly can. That's the worst thing you can possibly do. Let's hypothetically say your business made $500,000 in net profit. You can use that profit, go to the bank, and they will lend you roughly 5 to 6 times that amount of money. So if you've got $500,000 in net profit, the bank will lend you $2.5 to $3 million in debt. Now with that $2.5 to $3 million, you can go and buy 2, 3, maybe 4 assets, of which over the long term grow at 6 or 7%. On $500,000 in net profit, if you were to just take that profit, you will probably pay around 25% tax on that money, which means on $500,000, you'll pay about $125,000 in tax, and you'll be left with $375,000 net after tax. Now, for $125,000 of tax, buy $3 million worth of assets. Now you've got $3 million of assets in the market growing at 7% per annum, which is making you $210,000 a year in capital growth over a long period of time. So by paying $125,000 in tax on your $500,000 of profit, you've now turned that $125,000 of tax you've paid into a machine that is printing you $210,000 every single year. And as you start to grow your business and your assets start to grow, those numbers just get bigger and bigger and bigger. I try and make my business as profitable as it can possibly be because I know I'm going to pay a lot of tax, but I also know the bank's going to lend me a lot of money because I'm going to have a huge amount of serviceability. So I know that by paying tax, I'm actually investing in my future because it's going to buy me assets that will continue to grow. As we approach the end of financial year, instead of going to buy the new work car or write down your profit as much as you possibly do so you can save on tax, think about the contrarian and how potentially by paying tax, it can make you a significant amount of money in the future